Emily.
Oh, hey. What are you doing? Just gonna explain some physics. I was actually about to introduce our unit on momentum and collision, so I guess it relates.
Well, I guess since I'm here, I might as well help out.
Okay, well, the first thing I wanted to see was random people on the street and what they think about momentum.
Sounds great. What is momentum?
Momentum is the movement of stuff.
What do you think, Jacob?
Momentum is like the acceleration of an object.
Hello?
What is momentum?
You're here?
It's like the potential speed, or I want to know this. I used to know this. Like, you can gain momentum, you could lose momentum, so I think it also has to do with acceleration or something.
What is momentum?
Isn't it built up from inertia?
It's all the things leading up to something that cause it to move or change.
Wow, my hand's shaking.
No, that's wrong. Wait, that.
What is it? Can you tell me? I need to know.
As you can see, no one can really define momentum. The definition is simply just the formula momentum equals mass times velocity.
All momentum is the quantity of motion and is conserved when there isn't any outside forces.
Oh, so basically an isolated system.
Yeah, but there are situations where momentum can change. The change is called impulse.
Okay, so back to momentum. If there are two objects going at the same velocity but are different masses, the more massive object will have a larger momentum.
So if a toy car and a bus had the same velocity, the bus would have more momentum?
Exactly. So if there were two toy cars that had the same mass, the one with more velocity would be the one to have more momentum.
Oh, okay. So wait, are collisions and momentum related?
Well, actually, they are.
What's so special about a collision?
Oftentimes, two objects with momentum may collide in either an elastic or inelastic collision.
So wait, there are two types of collisions?
Yeah. So if someone threw a ball at you and you didn't catch it, it would bounce off you, which would be an elastic collision.
So it wouldn't be the same?
If you caught it, no, it would not be the same. That is where the other type of collision comes into play. That type is called inelastic. The objects stick together instead of rebounding.
Okay, I think I got it. But I think we should show another example to the viewers so they can reassure themselves.
Sounds great.
Wow, that elastic collision made so much more sense.
Good. I hope our viewers out there understand better now too.
Okay, now let's talk about the other type of collision, which is inelastic.
What are you waiting for? Come on.
Those examples sure helped me out a lot. Just to summarize, an elastic collision is when two objects rebound off one another, and an inelastic collision is when two objects become stuck together.
Yep, exactly. But there's one more thing I think we should talk about, isn't there?
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. This other situation is not a collision. Instead, it's called an explosion.
Like the boom type of explosion?
Well, yeah, there's that type of explosion, but there's also types of massive destructive ones, and there's also simple explosions that we'll show the viewers today.
Oh, okay. So I guess you mean the kind where two objects are bound together and then separate from one another?
Yeah, exactly.
I'm really glad we did all those examples. I think I finally completely understand this unit.
Yeah, you and me both. Hopefully, by explaining all the collisions and explosions, our viewers understand it as well.
Me too. I hope we could clear up any confusion for you guys at home. And we'll see you again soon.
That's all for now. Thanks for joining.
Something. Please don't show this to anyone. I really should know what this is. I got a B+ in physics. I'm sorry, Mr. Anderson. Dr. Anderson, excuse me, he's doctor. Are you still filming me?
Yeah.
Momentum. Mass equals. No, force equals. May the force, may the mass times acceleration be with you. What is
Wait, that's wrong. The agent said it's wrong. I don't know.
what? Are you
What is momentum?
That's what it is. You have like a shoe project.